So nowadays we know AI agents can do a lot of things. However, when it comes to payment, it literally hits a wall. Imagine you're paying some like pay wallet API or whatever. So we need human to make the determinations, and that really breaks out the autonomous workflow. So here we are, we built this Omni Agent Pay to allow the AI agent to do everything for you. And we are actually providing an SDK and full safety service. So imagine us more like an infra, and this is just one basic application that I'm going to show you in this technical video. And our goal is to be the Stripe for agentic AI. So basically how it works, you can just go to our web and download whatever the XCP and the SDK you want and run it on your own laptop to test it. So we more than this application layer, we actually build a whole ecosystem containing the Omni memory and other things. So like Omni stands for universe, that's our goal. And I'm going to show you guys our testing video to let you know like how this works. So basically, after connecting to the Circle testing wallet, as you can see here, this is our landing page. And imagine you like your own AI agent connected with our infrastructure platform, and then you wanna run a payment, for example, by some like cloud service host or whatever API connected. And by clicking just once, everything just goes through successfully here. As you can see here, cloud hosting package, 5 USDC. Yay, it got through. And everything just happened within 2 seconds. Well, actually, it can be even faster. And now let's try to buy something like a puffer jacket. It's winter, but it's not that cold here in the Bay. I'll just take this one, for example. And let's see, after we enter the prompt, and what you can see here is basically it got stuck. But why? Because our infrastructure actually allows you to set your own budget, your own rules. It's kind of like the guardrails, I would say. So you can see here our balance is 24.67. However, the price we found provided by the vendor is way higher than the thing we want. So we might need to adjust a little bit of our budget. That's the rule you set. So whatever rules you want to tell your AI agent to conduct, that will be automatically conducted. So here we change to find something below 24. And it was through. Everything on chain, everything real. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Time for questions.
On this, I have a couple of questions. Are your guardrails just on budget limits, or how do you prevent your agent from paying a malicious wallet or a malicious website? That's one. And the second question is, who pays for your gas? Because you're showing it takes about 27 cents for the gas, so is it going out from the user's wallet, or are you funding it?
That's a very good question. Thank you for asking. So for the first one, I think basically you want to know more about our safety details, like the safeguards. Well, actually, we built very detailed atomic safeguard rules, and everything is on our GitHub open source. So just